I'm John Baker, Accenture's Managing Director for Data-Driven Marketing and Commerce, part of the Salesforce Business Group. The pandemic has fundamentally altered the way business is done. COVID-19 sent many businesses upside down, but COVID has also shown how many industries had to adapt their business models quickly. And interestingly, many industries were very successful. Changes that would have been difficult during normal times suddenly became doable. Customer expectations in the business-to-business space were already shifting in terms of how they expect their partners and suppliers to respond to new demands. But the pandemic accelerated this change, and many companies need help. Change is occurring right now across B2B industries of all sorts, from automotive to aerospace, and from adhesives to appliances. The good news is the businesses that rise to the occasion will reap the benefit with millions, if not billions, of untapped revenue and stronger competitive positioning. In this session, you will learn how Accenture is helping B2B clients tackle these challenges. Successful companies are supercharging their sales and service experience and leveraging the full power of the Salesforce stack, fueled by data from a variety of new sources, such as operations and service, in addition to sales. Data-driven experiences are the key to pulling off such a transformation. A seamless, fully connected experience that breaks down traditional silos, fundamentally changes the sales process, but most importantly, maintains the current customer context at all times throughout. Where is the customer in the purchase lifecycle? What have they shown interest in, and what information have they provided or shared? How are they using and servicing their current vehicles? Creating the customer context can be a combination of integrating current customer relationship management systems with a true customer data platform that can drive the personalization. Another key is digitizing and automating parts of the experience that have been traditionally manual, like the application and approval process for financing. Finally, it requires arming the human sales representative, dealer or otherwise, with the right tools to present the current customer context and ensure they are fully informed at those key interactions and decision points. Leaders in the B2B space are already anticipating what's needed, whether that's intelligent lead management of sales across a dealer network or optimizing aftermarket parts and service. Now imagine if every industry operated this way. Customers are changing, and their expectations are changing with them. Today, they expect their partners to understand more about their needs, anticipate future demand, proactively alert them of service issues, and strike that right balance between human interaction, self-service, and automation. Remarkable customer experiences are now more than just a product sale. So if you're anticipating future demand, preventing issues before they happen, and helping customers understand a better future, you'll see more success. Technology is increasingly making it possible for companies to meet those expectations. You have to move now and fast if you are going to not just meet them, but exceed them. What if you already knew what your customers needed 12 months from now? Actionable data allows this to happen. A service-centric approach is the key to better understanding your customer and supporting them in all the moments that matter, from product selling to post-sales service and support. It's not just about understanding the customer, but using that information to meet them where they are. It's end-to-end. Here are two examples of B2B industries taking a more service-centric approach. Now, Aerospace has been using operational data from aircraft to better predict parts and service needs with lead times that providers can support. A provider of aftermarket service and material in aerospace is combining first-party account and order data with third-party industry data that tracks every commercial airliner in the world in real time. The first-party data provides historic trends on spend and in which product and service categories. Now that can be combined with current operational trends for an airline customer. How are the aircraft being used and maintained? Are routes and flight frequencies changing? When is the aircraft positioned at a maintenance space? And how much time do they spend there? Combining these sources provides a true 360-degree view of the customer and means creating the ability to better anticipate and serve their customers' needs. It means more intelligence and recommendations for the sales force and greater personalization for electronic commerce. In this second example, a manufacturer of construction equipment wants to improve the end-to-end experience for their customers. Construction firms working with tight deadlines and slim margins. By including live Internet of Things data streaming from the equipment, this company was able to react to unscheduled events proactively and also better predict future demand. Changes in usage patterns for equipment of this sort can have a dramatic effect on future parts and service needs, but also highlights opportunities for new equipment that can better fit a changing mission profile. That upgrade opportunity can be unlocked by highly targeted campaigns driven by a marketing automation. Personalization within those campaigns is critical. The content or the offer has to be fully relevant, and the timing of the outreach is critical. It's a great example of where understanding the moments that matter for identifying those key interaction points can really pay off. The evolution of technology is enabling data-driven experiences more and more. Could you have done this a few years ago? Yes, but there would have been more heavy lifting. Now, the Salesforce platform provides a lot of fundamental capabilities in creating a foundation to deliver data-driven experiences. B2B industries have rich data within their four walls or within their industry, but there are several types of data to gather and leverage. First-party data, that is, your data, which includes marketing, commerce, events, virtual or physical, and direct data. Then there's second-party data from your partners. Then third-party, which also includes industry data and watches. And in some industries, we also have things like IoT, operational data from your products that is getting richer and more frequent. This actionable data can drive what is essentially personalization in B2B, anticipating future demand, preventing issues before they happen, and helping the customer understand a better future. Let's say you're ready to increase data-driven experiences in your company. There are 3 steps to get started. First, understand and align around the opportunity. Is it $10 million in return, either new revenue streams or cost savings, or $100 million? For some, it's a $1 billion opportunity. What's the value case and potential return on investment? Size up what it means for your business. Second, align on vision for the end-to-end experience of your customers, reinventing moments that matter in your customer relationships that drive value. A transaction, interaction, or compelling measurable satisfaction. Build a pilot. Start using some early data sources and start to uncover those insights. These proofs of concept won't deliver a material benefit, they're small, but they provide enough to say, wow, I do have the data that can uncover those insights that will bring in more success. Third, create coherent end-to-end technology architecture to support end-to-end experiences. You can no longer afford to keep plugging leaks in the dike without understanding the whole water system. Once you have aligned on an end-to-end technology vision, you can address existing technology, identify highest opportunity areas for investment, and build and evolve over time while capturing ROI and validating continued investment. Then you can scale and add more use cases. Then there are 4 requirements for success. First, you need senior level sponsorship who is vested in the opportunity. Second, you need executive alignment on executing end-to-end experience, breaking down entrenched organizational barriers to collaboration, and maintaining vision for shared success. Third, measurement of incremental ROI must be agreed to up front and maintained ongoing. Data cannot be an afterthought. And last, start anywhere, start small, scale fast. Execute end-to-end experience, supporting the deployment of technology, the use of the technology, the execution of the experience, and the change management required to ensure adoption. I leave you with one story. A multinational technology company wanted to convert trial users of its cloud solution into recurring paying customers and ensure long-term use of their platform. Accenture helped develop and launch a global demand center, which provided the company with an integrated sales and marketing platform. It monitored customers' digital activity, triggered inside sales interactions, and delivered timely, ongoing digital messaging relevant to each step of the buyer's journey. The Demand Center integrated global digital marketing efforts with a multi-layered engine that could help address deep technical questions, provide technical enablement, and drive sales. The Global Demand Center allowed for local market customization while centralizing the pipeline and demand response. This ensured that all opportunities were captured and addressed. Identified and qualified opportunities moved quickly through the pipeline, and converted prospects moved smoothly through the evaluation state to purchase. In just one quarter, sales of the cloud solution doubled, with the Global Demand Center driving a 128% increase in inside sales qualified opportunities. And sales goals exceeded 110% for 3 consecutive years. Thank you very much. I hope you leave this session with a new perspective on how to reinvent the moments that matter in your service experience to supercharge new revenue and increase customer loyalty. We welcome the opportunity to discuss how you can seize the opportunity to leverage your marketing efforts to support this shift to a service-centric world we are witnessing before our eyes.